This channel is making just by uploading shorts. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can profit from YouTube shorts without having to film, without showing your face or having to edit. Just copy and paste. You can be a total beginner, and by the end of the video, I'll show you one amazing way that you can monetize your first video. Let's get started with the channel examples, the niche you should start, and where to get those videos. So you have to come to YouTube, and on the search bar you're gonna write hashtag shorts, and then you're gonna search it, and this is gonna be the YouTube shorts section. As you can see, more than 400,000 million videos. They pretty much get a lot of views, so if you can scroll around you're gonna see it. But what are we gonna be looking for here is faceless. So you can scroll down a little bit so you can see, but I have already separated some that I will show you right now. This channel here has 2.5 million subscribers, and it's a gadget only channel, and it's basically only uploading shorts. So if you look here, they get a lot of views, like 10k, 16k, 23k. Let's look for okay, 53k, 29. So they get a lot of views from this channel, and they are simple videos just showing the gadgets. But let's see now how much this channel is making every month. Here on Social Blade, it's saying that this channel is making $2 million every month, but the estimated default CPM here is from 25 cents to $4. But in average, this types of channel makes $2 per 1,000 views. But even if we play here on the lowest side, imagine if you were making $122,000 every month. It's a crazy amount, right? Now let's go back to YouTube. But before we go, if you like to make money online, I'm posting videos here every week showing you guys how to do it. So subscribe and like this channel so you don't lose an opportunity. And also at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave a free cheat sheet of 7 ways you can earn money online. Let's go. Now, the best niche at the moment that is actually on the rise is ASMR, and it's basically some soothing sounds that people likes to listen. And if you look here, this type of niche gets a lot of views. As you can see, this one, it has almost 200 million views for one video, and you can scroll down and see they're all pretty much the same. Look at this one here. It has 14 million views. This is why I said it's not hard to get the 10 million views in 90 days so you can monetize your channel. Basically, from this video only here, this person is already eligible for monetization. And let's see what's the type of videos they are making. So as I told you, it's basically only the noise that the food is making and when it's cooking. Okay, now that you already seen and know how it works, I'm gonna show you where to get those videos and how to make it copyright free. Let's go to TikTok. Once you're here on TikTok, it's pretty much like YouTube. So you're gonna come right to the top here and write ASMR food, and then you're gonna search it. There's a lots of options here. You can scroll down, but what I advise you is try not to get videos that show others people's face, because what we're gonna do is a type of a reaction video, and you can get videos like this one that only shows the food and has the noise. I have already separated one account, and I will show you right now. This is the account I chose. When you're scrolling down and looking for it, try to get videos kind of like this that only shows the food, the mouth, not the people. And this account even have 2 more accounts that you can look as well. So you can see they have a lot of views, a lot of popular videos here. You want to try to aim for those ones, and let's click on any one here and see how it is. Okay, so this is perfect. So now what we want to do, we want to download this video, but do not download straight from TikTok because it's gonna come with the watermark, and YouTube does not like the watermark. So you come to the top, copy the link, and now you're gonna come to this website. So the name of the website is here, Snaptic. You're gonna paste your link, and then you can just download it. After you download your link, the next step we're gonna head over to Canva, and Canva is totally free, so you don't have to worry. You can use it as much as you want. Here on Canva, you come to video and then you press mobile. Here's already on the format that we need to post it on Shorts, so you don't have to change anything. What you want to do now is come to uploads, and then you're gonna upload files, and then you choose the file that you have just downloaded. Once the video is here, you're just gonna drag and drop it on the feed, and now you want to try to get it all the way to the edges. You can pause the video. So put it all the way to the edge here. Okay, I think this is good. And now we're gonna add some elements. So if you come to the side, you see here there's shapes. You can see all, and try to take the square shape. It's here already. Drag it all the way to the top, make it on the whole video like this. And now you can duplicate this and put it on the bottom. And if you want, you can change the color here. I'm gonna put it the color white, because like I told you guys, we're gonna try to make like a reaction video. So for this, we have to add a text now. You can choose from this type of text here, the animated text, or you can just take a simple one. In my case, I'll choose a simple one, and on the top I'll write it just a reaction. Wow, because this, when people see this, they're gonna be curious to know what it caused this reaction, so they're gonna click on your video. And on the bottom of the video, you wanted to ask to people to comment on the video, so you can add another text and just say comment what you think or something like that, because when people are commenting on your video, the video is gonna be looping on the background, and that way it's gonna get more chance to go viral. Okay, I have already set up here. Now if you want, you can add an animation, like a little arrow down here. You just come to elements as well, and you have all shapes, arrows, anything that you need is here. I think I'm gonna add a little arrow here. Okay, so I have set up everything here. After you're done setting up yours, what you want to do is come to the top, press share, and now you can download your video. After you have downloaded, now we're gonna head over to YouTube. Here on the uploading page, what you want to do, when you add your title, you want to put #shorts, so YouTube knows that you're uploading a short video. Also, you want to put a brief description of what the video is gonna be about. And if you scroll down all the way to the end here, this is the most important part, the tags. This here is how YouTube algorithm is going to understand for who to share your videos. So for this part here, to get my tags, I always use VidIQ. You can download it, and what you want to do now, you want to come back to the search bar, and then you can search for videos like this. Like this one has 34 million views. Just put ASMR on the long form videos. So you're gonna go to the long form videos, so you search just ASMR, and on the using VidIQ, if you come to the bottom here, you're gonna see that we're gonna be able to see all the tags that this video is using. And now we can just see the tags and copy the best ones here. So I have this one. Actually, you can copy all of it, and then you just paste it on the description, the tags part. Okay, so I have already put some tags here that I think is relevant for my video. Make sure you put as many tags as you can. Here's 500 characters. So put as many tags as you can, and you can use the VidIQ. I'll leave the link on the description. Now for the bonus part, what you want to do to monetize your first video, you're gonna need an affiliate link for this, and you're gonna leave it pinned on your comment section. For this niche here, we can use Audible, that is run by Amazon, and once you leave the link at the description, they just need to sign up. If they sign up, you get $5 free just for the person signing up on your link. And if you look over to the other page, you can see it's pretty much the same thing. So if they are searching for videos like that, it's most likely that they will click on your link, and for signing up you will get $5. And by getting your video viral, if you get at least 50,000 views, you can make every single day around $100 by using this method.